New details tonight at 5 on just how many breakthrough COVID cases we are seeing in our area.
Those cases are the ones where a person develops COVID after getting the vaccine. Tonight, the St. Louis County Health Department reports one of those breakthrough cases, the patient who had pre-existing conditions, ended up dying. News 4's Emma Hogue spent the day asking how these breakthrough cases are happening. She's live in South City.
Sam, so far, 2 employees with Total Access Urgent Care have tested positive for breakthrough cases, but numbers and patients are so low, the company says they're not even keeping track. But in St. Louis County, they are detailing every single breakthrough case, what they're calling a trend, and all because they say some people aren't getting the vaccine.
Still working clinical shifts occasionally. It was nice to just have that added feeling of protection.
Working in healthcare, Stephen Melgar was relieved to be one of the first to get the vaccine back in December. But in mid-April, the employee at Total Access Urgent Care developed a stuffy nose. It wasn't until he lost his sense of smell
Nothing.
that he thought it could be a breakthrough case of COVID-19.
I had been having allergy symptoms for 5 or 6 days maybe, and then just lost my smell one day and got in when tested, and sure enough it was positive.
They're extremely rare.
Dr. James Heinrichs is an infectious disease advisor for St. Louis County and says out of 350,000 fully vaccinated residents, 212 people, or 0.06%, have developed breakthrough infections. The majority of those cases are asymptomatic. To date, 13 people in the county have been hospitalized, and 1 elderly person with underlying conditions died Wednesday. Through his research, Heinrichs is finding most cases are transmitted from unvaccinated members of the same household.
We're finding is that frequently unvaccinated members within their own family become infected. They feel like they're okay to take care of them like a child or whatever, so they don't maybe take as much precautions and they come down with symptoms themselves.
Over a third of breakthrough cases are found in healthcare workers like Melgar. Other people-facing professions are prone too.
And mainly it's because of the fact that they were the first cases vaccinated. We're now seeing more teachers because then again they became vaccinated fairly early on. So we're seeing more cases in teachers.
So while these cases are incredibly rare, doctors say it's just another example of how important it is to get the vaccine. Tonight, we're also learning reinfections are up. That's when an unvaccinated person gets COVID twice. Coming up tonight on News 4 at 6, we're digging into those numbers, and I'll explain how variants come into play. All of that coming up in just an hour. For now, reporting live in South City, Emma Hogue, News 4.